Transit of Jupiter in 7th house from Leo moon sign. The date starts from 5th of April 2021 till 14th September 2021. Transit of Jupiter in the 7th house from Leo moon sign. The date starts from 5th of April 2021 till 14th September 2021. During this particular period, Jupiter will move through your 7th house from moon sign Leo. This brings in good timing in yourself, in your life. This particular phase you may expect to enjoy bodily, physically, and a lot of material comfort will be there. Savor exotic cuisines, luxuries, acquiring property, pass your leisure time thoroughly being entertained, even expect to be honored by higher authorities, enjoying companionship, friendship, you name it. A good timing could also be expected in your social life. You may expect to meet and befriend people of distinction who could also prove to be beneficial for you. Personally, Leo, you would also be noticed for your smart speech, presentation, intellectual eminence. Leo, this particular time will make you stay outdoor, performing auspicious deeds. Health would remain be fine. Your profound character and bodily grandeur will be noticed at this time. You're likely to experience fulfillment of your desires and a comfortable home. Singles may consider trying the knot, and couples may consider an addition in the family. Baby, if you're already married, then you're likely to enjoy heightened personal bliss with your partner during this particular time, and you'll enjoy thoroughly. Jupiter in the 7th house during this particular period, your intimate one-to-one encounters with other people can show you aspect of yourself, of the world around you. By large, this transit favors the formation and maintenance of all kind of partnership, including marriage. Although this transit by itself does not especially indicate marriage, it does make a marriage work very well at this particular time. During this particular transit, you will encounter people who can help you out in various ways. You approach all the relationship with ideas that you and the other person should help each other. You are not inclined to go it all alone. You would be well advised not to. You very much need another person's assistance, not because you are a weak individual, but because the other person's fulfill individuality. This is also a good timing to call in a professional for any kind of assistance, especially a lawyer, but also a doctor or other consultant as well, personal counselor. If you have to go to the court at this time, especially in a civil court or civil suit, the outcome should be favorable. Although it is important to make sure that you have each and every angle covered. Don't take this transit for granted, for you might overlook some details that could trip you up. And also don't try to get more than you due. No, not overestimating what you are going to get. That could get you into very big trouble. As with every other Jupiter transit, this one requires a certain amount of moderation in order to get the most out of it. Jupiter preferred to foreign places and persons. This transit could indicate this particular time your relationship or partnership or close companionship with foreigners. That can happen. It could also indicate a relationship with someone whose background is sufficiently different from yours that you have to expand your views and your understanding of the world simply to deal with them. And any intimate relationship at this time will certainly have a consciousness expanding effect upon you. In other words, the relationship won't permit you to continue in a narrow frame of mind or frame of reference. If you marry under this influence, your partner is likely to be slightly older, who has established himself or herself in the world. Your respect for this person is one of the main factors that attract you more and more. This is a sign of a person more experienced than yourself. So whenever you're going through these kind of situations, circumstances, planetary position, going through your personal conflicts, lack of personal happiness or comfort, loss due to fire, theft, cheating or deception, joint venture losses or loss of reputation, financial crisis or legal conflicts. Second house is occupied. First house, second house, fifth house, seventh house, ninth house, 12th house are occupied with Saturn, Venus, Mercury or Rahu. Or ninth house is occupied with Mercury. Or first house is empty. Then please do these tasks. Number 1, do organize Namak Chamak Rudrabhishek with yellow flowers in the temple. Task number 2, refrain from keeping rak, bhabooti, dry flower statues, taveez in your possession or in your residence. Task number 3, refrain from giving any worn clothes, your own worn clothes to anybody. Refrain from giving your own worn clothes to anybody. The answer is no, never. Transit of Jupiter again in the 6th house from Leo moon sign. The dates start from 14 September 2021 till 20th November 2021. Transit of Jupiter again in the 6th house from Leo moon sign. The dates start from 14 September 2021 till 20th November 2021. During this particular period, Jupiter will move through your 6th house from your moon sign Leo. This signifies trouble in most of you. This particular phase, you tend to increase your enemies by being over involved in unnecessary arguments with people, family, friends, colleagues, senior, you name it. You will be all over the place. You're also likely to create an enmity between you and your guru or between you and your mentor, which you really don't need it. Beware of your enemies at this time. They might trouble you, winding you up more and more and more and more and more and more than ever. You have to have a balance. Health would require attention at this time. You may feel very unhappy even when you are in the best of condition and may tend to become restless, hurt, emotionally unstable. Take care to avoid slackness in health and disease. You'd have to be more attentive in your field of work as there is a chance that you might lose some money or property during this particular phase. Beware of thieves, thugs, fire at your home workplace or even the punishment from the government authority. If employed, maintain a good rapport with your employer and colleagues to avoid any disfavor with them. Leo, it would be better to postpone new enterprise. This may not be the right time to start something new, venture, new project, new ideas. Now, your relationship with your spouse may have to be handled very carefully and sensibly, and avoid any kind of arguments with partner and stay away from litigation of any kind with anybody. Jupiter in 6th house, this is a very good timing for any kind of work and for fulfilling duties that contribute to your personal growth. Leo, this transit indicates health, with one exception. Very often the demand of this house comes into conflict with your own personal growth and especially freedom. For those, this is the house of fulfillment of duty, responsibility and service. Your ego needs are gratified here only at the level that most people cannot readily understand what you're on about. But with Jupiter in this house, you are able to make progress in the world precisely because of these matters. And you realize this work is fulfilling and enjoyable to you now, giving you a sense of purpose and structure for yourself. Quite often, this comes about through an improved job situation, better working condition, even a new job with better pay or opportunity for self-fulfillment. But you're not likely to advance to a position of greater power or standing at this time. This is the period of work you will achieve the most satisfaction simply by doing the work as well as you can and to the highest possible standard. Leo, you're quite ready to take on even more work if you can, and even through you probably won't be promoted at all. You will certainly gain the esteem of your superior, praise of your superior, recognition of your superior, and those of working under you. Leo, which will ultimately put you in a very good position, mentally and spiritually. This is usually an excellent period for health because Jupiter gives you body physical strength and vitality. However, you do have to be very careful about gaining weight, becoming plumpy. In both the fortunate and less fortunate meaning of the term, this is a growth transit on physical level. If for some reason your body has to heal or recover from illness, this transit will assist the process. But you should be careful of fat or sweet food. They will not only cause you to gain weight, but they are not very good for you, for your digestive system. Avoid any kind of overindulgence whatsoever. So whenever you face any of these following problems or situations or hassles, number one, as a difference of opinion between you and the family members, or starting a row or arguments or conflict between you and your family members, loss of health, loss of family members, bad debts, loss of gold due to cheating, deception and theft, lack of cooperation from people left, right and center, first house become empty in your moon chart, then please do the following tasks. These are the tasks and solutions. I want you to do it, please. Number one, never ever insult the family members, not mother, father, elders of the family. The answer is no. Please do make a very good relationship with your father and your mother. Third task, try to keep dog as a pet or donate dog feed to dog home in your routine. Fourth task, do donate 6 kg chana dal, 600 gram haldi powder to temple and the langar, 1 Thursday, 6 Thursday, 9 Thursday. Task number 5, do donate food and money to the 6 religious priests. 6 religious priests, not the religious places. Do donate food and money to 6 religious priests who are working in temple as a priest. Sixth, refrain from eating non-vegetarian food or consuming any form of alcohol, please.